All right, so here we're going to go over some final proofreading steps when you're going over a cell and making sure that it's actually complete. So here we're going to look at the overview of the cell. And right now for this cell, we're looking at the dendritic arbor. And as you can see, we've got kind of two of these projections over here and another two over here. But you might notice that there seems to be a wider gap in this middle section. So that's a clue that maybe something is missing from this area. That's not always the case. Some cells are pretty irregular and this might just be how they look, but it's definitely something you want to explore further just to make sure that nothing is missing. So as I'm taking a closer look at this cell, I'm also noticing that there's this little nub projecting right here. So that's a place that I'm going to take a closer look at to make sure that there's, to see if there's an extension or not that might come out of this location. Okay, let's get the EM images here. All right, and it looks like this continues right here, so I'm going to click that. Here. Looks like it continues here. All right, so as you can see, we found this branch that seems to really fill in this section here. If you look at it from a different angle, it seems pretty in line with the rest of these branches. The projections seem pretty uniform, so that looks good, and now that there's no more gap in between these branches, can have a better sense that this cell is probably complete.